Whether you're just entering college or planning your future in tech, choosing the right programming language can completely transform your career. In this video, we're breaking down 5 languages that will be incredibly important in 2026. This list is backed by real data from developer surveys and industry reports, so make sure to watch till the end. First on the list is Python. If you want to explore data science, artificial intelligence, machine learning, automation, or even just start programming as a beginner, Python is a fantastic choice. It consistently ranks at the top of industry indexes, and the AI revolution has only made it more valuable. With a massive community and powerful libraries, simply put, Python is a safe and future-proof investment for almost any developer. Next up is TypeScript, a language that has exploded in popularity. Many recent GitHub reports show TypeScript growing even faster than JavaScript. TypeScript brings type safety to JavaScript, making applications more reliable and easier to scale. It's widely used in frameworks like React, Next.js, and Angular. If you're building a career in web development, TypeScript will help you stand out to recruiters. For web developers, though, it's becoming essential. Number 3 on the list is C and C++. These languages may be decades old, but they continue to be some of the best languages for building solid programming foundations. They are used in operating systems, game engines, embedded devices, and performance-critical applications. At number 4, we have Java, one of the strongest career choices, especially in India. Companies like Netflix, Uber, and major banks rely heavily on Java, with Spring Boot for scalable back-end systems. Java offers stability, a mature ecosystem, and regular feature updates. Finally, number 5 is Rust. Rust is not as widespread as Python or Java, but its demand in high-performance system programming is rising fast. Rust offers the speed of C++, but with much safer memory management. There are also several other languages that may be important depending on your goals. For example, C# is essential for game development with Unity. Go, also known as Golang, is becoming extremely popular in cloud and microservice architectures. Kotlin is the modern choice for native Android development, and SQL is a foundational tool every developer should know. Choosing the right language depends entirely on what you want from your career, your interests, the industry you want to join, the companies you're targeting, and the time you can invest. All of these influence the right decision. If the company you want to work for uses Java, learn Java. If you're dreaming of a future in AI, Python is the way to go. If you want to build modern web applications, JavaScript and TypeScript are essential. Your circumstances may not always give you unlimited choices, but informed decisions always lead to better outcomes. I hope 2026 becomes a life-changing year for your programming journey. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe.